Good morning, grade 11s. Welcome back. This is video 2 of exponents and surds. I trust and hope that before you start with this video that you have seen video 1. Make sure that you've viewed it and that you can connect the dots from 1 to 2. I remind you that this resource is copyright protected. Unlawful use of the content can lead to persecution. Now, someone asked me, what is this unlawful use? That is if you cut or paste or close up or cover the content creator's details. So please do not crop or cut out any of the information that is displayed. If there's something that you feel that needs to be changed, feel free to get in touch with me. My contact details are displayed, and I will make the necessary changes to my documentation and videos. Thank you very much. I trust and hope that you will use this material to assist your learners or yourself to achieve better results in the subject. Material may not be used or sold to make money. This is a resource that was created to support and assist learners. So at this stage, we go straight into the exercises where we work with exponents and we see this information in front of us. We must now simplify or get to a single expression. So the first thing that we need to know and understand whenever we work with exponents, always write everything in prime base. Now, if you do not know what prime base means, prime base refers to a number must be written in its prime factors. For example, 8 is 2 to the power of 3. 9 is 3 squared. 6 will be 2 multiplied by 3. 16 will be 2 to the power of 4. So, always prime base, not written as an exponent as such, but in prime base. So, the first thing, write all numbers in prime base. And when you do so, just remember that this must be in brackets, this must be in brackets. Whatever the base is will be written in brackets and then powered up. For example, here will be 2 numbers, but both of those numbers will be raised to the power of a minus 3. So we look at that quickly. So firstly, on top, we have 2 to the power of 3. That's that guy. 3 squared is that guy. And 2 times 3 is that 6 that we are referring to. Now remember, when 2 bases are raised to a power, each of those 2 bases must be raised to that power. Okay? Don't forget that one. Then we go to the bottom. You will see I did not write here 4 squared, but I wrote it as 2 to the power of 4. 4 is not a prime number. Therefore, I write it as 2 to the power of 4. Now, when I have numbers on top and I have numbers at the bottom, meaning there's division that is happening, we can subtract the exponents at the bottom from the exponents that is on top. But let's first write the exponents to their powers to simplify it. So this one will be a power raised to a power, so it will be multiplied with one another. I get 2 to the power of 3a. 2 must be multiplied with 1, and it must be multiplied with negative a. So I get 3 to the power of 2 minus 2a. Then 2 to the power of a minus 3 and 3 to the power of a minus 3. At the bottom I can expand this one, so this will be 4a minus 4. Don't make the mistake of just multiplying the first one and forgetting about the one at the back. Okay? So both must be multiplied with the exponent that is on the inside. So then we move further, and now we're going to write it in a straight line. So 2 to the power of 3a, there's the next 2, plus a minus 3. But now there's at the bottom, so I'm going to subtract 4a minus 4. And notice that I'm writing it in brackets. Because when I multiply the negative, this one becomes negative, but that one will become positive. Next step is to work with the 3. So 3 to the power of 2 minus 2a. Then I've got to add, because this is multiplication. So I add a minus 3. Then I've got to subtract negative a. So negative times a negative becomes a positive. Remember that, eh? So 3a, 4a, minus 4a, there's no a's left. Then positive 4 minus 3 leaves me with 1. 2a minus 2a plus a is minus a plus another a. So that a cancels out. So I've got 2a minus 2a. There's no more a's left. Then minus 3 plus 2 is a minus 1. So we always need to write our exponents in positive exponents. And in order to do that, this 3 will have to go underneath the line and becomes a positive 1. So my answer is 2 over 3. I trust that that served you well. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, tell your friends. If you loved it, tell everyone. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to be notified when a new video is being uploaded. Thank you and goodbye.